What if I told you that you could become a successful YouTuber without ever showing your face? Yeah, you heard that right. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of faceless YouTube channels, where creativity, voice, and content take center stage. We're talking millions of subscribers, crazy views, all without ever revealing who you are. Whether you're camera shy, prefer working behind the scenes, or just want to create something different, a faceless YouTube channel might be your perfect fit. Imagine this. You build this incredible community around your content, your ideas, and your voice, and nobody even knows what you look like. And the best part? There are so many ways to do it. We're talking animation, gaming, education, ASMR, you name it. Stick around, because in this video, we're going to break down the different types of faceless channels, how they work, and what you need to do to crush it on YouTube without ever stepping in front of a camera.
First up, let's talk animation. I'm talking about channels like The Odd One Sout. They're killing it with millions of subscribers, and they do it all with animated characters. These channels are all about telling stories, sharing experiences, and connecting with the audience through relatable, funny, or even heartwarming animations. Think about it. You could create your own characters, your own world, and tell stories that are totally unique to you. The beauty of animation is that it's limitless. You can literally create anything you can imagine. Want to talk about awkward childhood experiences? Boom! Create an animated version of yourself and make it hilarious. Want to explore a fantasy world? Design your own creatures, landscapes, and tell epic tales. And the best part is, you don't need to be a professional animator to get started. There are tons of free and affordable animation software options out there that are super user-friendly. Plus, you can even find talented freelancers online who can help bring your vision to life. Now, storytelling is key here. You gotta captivate your audience, make them laugh, make them feel something. Think about what makes your favorite animated channel so engaging. Is it the humor, the relatable characters, the unexpected plot twists? Find your own style, your own voice, and let your creativity run wild. So if you've got a knack for storytelling, a love for animation, and a desire to connect with a massive audience, this might be the perfect faceless channel for you.
Alright, next up, let's talk about using your powers for good, for knowledge. Educational and tutorial channels are blowing up on YouTube. Think about it. People are always looking to learn new things, whether it's mastering a skill, diving into a new subject, or just expanding their knowledge. And the best part is, you don't need to be a professor or a teacher to share what you know. Channels like Khan Academy and Crash Course are prime examples. They're making education accessible and engaging for millions of people worldwide, all without ever showing the face behind the lessons. The key here is to focus on delivering high-quality content in a clear and engaging way. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and what you think other people would find valuable. You could create tutorials on anything from coding and graphic design to cooking and photography. You could break down complex topics into easy-to-understand segments. You could even teach people how to play a musical instrument, all through the magic of screen recording and voiceover. And the beauty of this type of channel is that you don't need fancy equipment. A good microphone, screen recording software, and your expertise are all you really need to get started. Don't be afraid to get creative with your teaching methods. Use humor, storytelling, and real-life examples to make your content more memorable and relatable. So, if you're passionate about a subject and have a knack for explaining things in a clear and engaging way, this might be the perfect faceless channel for you.
Chapter 3. Gaming Channels. Level up your content. Alright gamers, this one's for you. Gaming channels are huge on YouTube, and for good reason. People love watching others play video games, especially when it's entertaining, informative, or just plain hilarious. And guess what? You don't need to show your face to build a massive gaming channel. Think about channels like Game Grumps or Achievement Hunter. They've built entire empires around gameplay and commentary, and their personalities shine through their voices, their humor, and their unique perspectives on the games they play. Whether you're doing walkthroughs, reviews, let's plays, or just goofing around with friends, your personality and your commentary are what will set you apart. Find your niche. What type of games do you love to play? What's your unique style of commentary? Are you funny, informative, strategic? Once you know your strengths, you can start creating content that caters to your target audience. Invest in good equipment. A high-quality microphone is crucial for clear commentary, and a capture card will allow you to record your gameplay in high definition. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content. Try live streaming, collaborating with other gamers, or even creating animated segments to add variety to your channel. So, if you're a passionate gamer with a knack for commentary and a desire to share your love of gaming with the world, a Faceless gaming channel might be your ticket to YouTube stardom.
Chapter 4: ASMR Channels. The Power of Sound and Sensation. Alright, let's talk about something a little different. ASMR. Now, ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, and it's basically all about creating these tingly, relaxing, and sometimes even sleepy feelings in your viewers through sounds. And guess what? It's perfect for a faceless channel. Think about channels like ASMR Darling or Jibby ASMR. Millions of subscribers tune in to experience the calming and often mesmerizing sounds they create, all without ever seeing their faces. ASMR is all about creating an intimate and immersive experience for your listeners. You're tapping into their senses, triggering those tingles and helping them relax, de-stress, or even fall asleep. Whispering, tapping, crinkling, brushing, even eating sounds. It's all fair game in the world of ASMR. Experiment with different sounds, find what works for you and your audience, and don't be afraid to get weird with it. Invest in a good microphone. Since audio is the heart and soul of ASMR, you'll need a high-quality microphone to capture those crisp, clear, and tingly sounds. Pay attention to detail. ASMR is all about the subtle nuances, the soft touches, and the gentle sounds.
So there you have it, guys. Faceless YouTube channels are a fantastic way to express creativity, share knowledge, or entertain without the pressure of being on camera. With the right tools, consistent content, and a unique voice, you can build a successful channel that resonates with viewers across the globe. If you found this video helpful and are ready to start your own Faceless YouTube channel, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what kind of faceless channel you're planning to create. Now go out there, be creative, have fun, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next faceless YouTube sensation.